Hello friends, welcome back to my famous, creative, well-known, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on VueJS. As we have gone through many videos on Flask, such as Flask connection with MySQL, Flask connection with Postgres database, Flask connection with NoSQL MongoDB database. We also seen Flask connectivity with frontend tool React.js. We also seen React connectivity with PHP and many more. But today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about Flask connection with VueJS in really different style. So please watch video till the end. Latest we have seen VueJS connectivity with Node.js. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Node.js with VueJS, but today, right now, we will be seeing connectivity of Flask with VueJS. So, first of all, go to the backend part. We will see using connection using JWT authentication. So here is the code. Yes, so username is admin@example.com, password is 123. So JWT authentication is there, email, password. So this is Flask Python file, and this part is about Node. We will see main login file. This is login file. Now I will execute the backend part. Yes, backend started successfully. Now front end part. Yes. So here is login form has been displayed. Now pass email ID is admin@example.com, password yes, login successful. So I successfully done with Flask connectivity with VueJS using login form. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on VueJS, with Node.js, with full stack if possible using VueJS, and if possible React with Node, full stack. And for latest update about JavaScript framework, that is most popular framework, that is VueJS, I will be back with more and more creative videos. For latest update, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.